Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah hamda syakirin. Al-Malikul Haqqul Mubin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin. Wa ala alihi wa ashabihi min jami' ummatihi ila yaumiddin. Amma ba'd. My beloved brothers and sisters, Muslimin and Muslimat, who are glorified by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whom I respect them. And the most special for the viewers of this program, thank you very much for your pay attention of this program. And I cannot say anything. I could not say anything. I don't say anything special for you, the viewers and the Muslimin and Muslimat. Only pray to Allah, may we have gotten reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because, we have waste time to study together this program. Because Allah has promised through the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have to believe it. So, this program, depending on our intention, getting reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This time, we want to talk about life. All the people on the world want to be happy. All the people on the world want to live happy. They want to live happily and they want to be happy. It is all the people. That is not wrong. That is human nature. That is the human nature. If we want to get happy, we want to get happiness and we want to live happy, that is not wrong, but it is human nature. But we must not forget about it. Because the difference between human being and another creature like animal, plant and other, on this point. On this point, because Allah has promised in Al-Quran, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Zuyyina linnasi hubbush shahawati minan nisa'i wal banina wal qanatiril muqattara al-ayat. From this verse, we have quite understood that Allah decorate of human. Allah decorated of human by feeling of happy. Loving is happy. Loving is happy. What do we love? What do we love? What do we like? The ending of loving and like is happy. So if we want to be happy in our life, we want to live happily in our life, we want to get happiness in our life, that is not wrong. That is suitable with Allah's desire, because human being is created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as the decoration of this world. Okay, all right everyone. So it is clear. Because Allah has promised in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Imran, Surah An-Nisa, the verse 14. I hope it is not wrong. Zuyyina linnasi hubbush shahawat. Human being is created by loving for lose and love coming together. lose and love coming together, loving to a woman, loving to another. Why? Because they want to get love. Yeah, they want to get love. Because they want to be happy. So, if we want to be happy in our life, that is not wrong. That is suitable with human nature. Alright, everyone. But the problem, many people want to live happily, but we must not forget the happiness exists on the world. The existing of happiness on the world, it is not permanent, but it's temporary, because our life in the world will be end. That is that. Yeah. Alright, everyone. Because Allah has created us. Allah has created us. Allah has created us. Of course, Allah loves us. Allah loves us so much. After Allah gave us a feeling of happy and feeling of love, yeah, and then Allah gave away all in order our feeling of love, and we want to be happy in our life, suitable with Allah's desire, suitable with Allah's willing. All right, everyone. If we want to be success in our life, yeah, the requirement is, if we want to be happy in our life, the requirement is success. But the success for the Muslim is different with another, because the success for another Muslim, it is material. But in Islam, following Allah instruction, no. Happy is feeling. Happy is feeling. Whoever will become happy. Whoever, the success man, the middle of success man, and then someone who are poor man, they can be happy in their life. The requirement, they become pious person. So if we want to be happy in our life, in this world, there is not a way, only pious person. Someone who is success, can it be happy? Maybe yes, maybe no. Maybe it can be yes, but it can be. It is the success, but people be pious. The pious person must be happy his life everywhere and anywhere. Their position, no problem. What become them? No problem. Poor man, rich man, middleman, another, no problem. No problem. Because if he becomes pious, of course, he will feel happy life. And they live happy. So, if we want to be success in our life according Islam instruction, only one, becoming pious person. Okay, can someone who has success can believe and can be happy in his life? Maybe yes, maybe no. Someone who has been success maybe they can live happy, maybe they unhappy on the life. People be pious. Then pious person, pious people, everywhere and anywhere, they want to be happy in their life. Okay, so once again, our talking, because Allah, Allah wanted us. Allah wants us. Allah wants us in order we become pious person. We can check out in Al-Quran, Surah An-Nahl, the page 96 or 97. 96 or 97, Allah is promising in Al-Quran. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Man amila salihan min dhakarin aw untha wa huwa mu'min falanuhyiyannahu hayatan thayyibah. Okay. Falanuhyiyannahu hayatan thayyibah. Allah has promised for us that someone who become pious person, they will be happy in their life, on the world, in the world, until hereafter. They will feel happily in this life, not only in the world, but until after death. The requirement pious, the success man, wow, it is not guarantee that the success person will be happy. Not guarantee. It is not guarantee. Alright, everyone? Because the time we want to be continue the next one, if we want to follow who is the pious man and what is the pious man, the next program we want to continue in order we can follow and we can enter to become pious person or pious people. One again, what is pious person and who is pious person? The next we want to continue because the time I think is enough. Tomorrow we'll continue this program talking about pious people or pious person. Okay, lot of speaking. Lot of mistaken, I know it. Then I need your forgiveness. May we have reward from Allah Subhanahu wa Taala after we waste time to follow this program. We must be sure we'll get reward from Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Allah, Wallahul muwaffiq ila aqwamit thoriq. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.